going to do the box notes in this video. So what are the box notes? The box represents any of the boxes found on the periodic table. Information found on the box. This is going to be your element name. This number right here, which we will round when we're doing any type of math, we will round that up, but this is the atomic weight. This is my element symbol. And this number right here is my atomic number. Okay, the atomic number is going to tell me the number of protons, and it's going to tell me the number of electrons. Okay. Now, neutrons, because we have 3 subatomic particles, we need to talk about protons, to talk about electrons, talk about neutrons. All 3 of those collectively make up what we would call an atom. So I know how many protons and electrons I'm going to have in any atom based on this atomic number. My neutrons, a little different. My neutrons, I'm going to take my atomic weight minus my atomic number, and that's going to give me my neutrons. So my atomic weight minus my atomic number is my number of neutrons. Okay, so I'm going to round that up. 51 minus 23 gives me 28. 23 equals 28 neutrons. Okay. My mass number, so you may hear that number every once in a while, my mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Now that atomic weight up here, that's an average. That's an average of all the different forms of the element that exists out in nature. So that would include those things that we call isotopes. Okay. All right, down here, subatomic particles. The charge on your proton is a positive charge. The charge on your electron is a negative charge. And the neutrons have no charge. They are neutral. Location, location, location. Protons and neutrons are going to make up the bulk of the mass of an atom. So your protons and your neutrons are both going to be found inside of the nucleus. Atom. Your electrons, on the other hand, they are outside. They are in orbitals, moving very, very quickly. The mass, like I said, the majority, the bulk of the mass of an atom comes from protons and neutrons. So because of that, we would say that the proton and the neutron have similar masses. So I'm going to write over here that a proton has the same mass as a neutron. Skip down here. Neutrons have the same mass as a proton. And your little electrons, while they are very, very mighty, they are much lighter in mass, much less mass than a proton and a neutron. So much lighter. Proton. So all of this information called the box notes, and from here we can calculate lots of things that we're going to use in chemistry.